Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the compound microscope. So what is compound microscope? So whenever we wants to obtain the magnifying power greater than 9, then magnification or magnifying power m less than or equals to 9, we can also obtain by the simple microscope by single lens. So if we want to obtain more than this magnifying power, then we will use the combination of two lens, and in this way we will obtain magnifying power greater than 9. Okay, so this is also a combination to obtain greater than 9 of magnifying power. So this is compound microscope. So compound microscope is the combination of two convex lenses, in which one is objective lens and another is eyepiece lens. So for this is compound microscope, and for this we will obtain the magnifying power greater than 9, and for this situation here combination of two convex lenses, in which focal length we can say the objective lens is smaller than the eyepiece lens, means objective lens smaller than eyepiece lens, or simply we can say that the focal length of objective lens is less than the focal length of eyepiece lens. We can also write this. So these are the specific conditions for the compound microscope. Here it used for the obtaining greater than 9 magnifying power, and it is for the obtaining greater than 9 magnifying power we will use the combination of two lenses, two convex lenses, in which one is objective lens and another is eyepiece lens, whereas objective lens is smaller than comparison to eyepiece lens, or simply we can say that the focal length of the objective lens is smaller than focal length of eyepiece lens. So let me discuss here its ray diagram. Both lenses lie in a single tube like this. This is objective lens O, and this is eyepiece lens like E. Okay, and this is an object AB whose image formed like this. In this way, where the rays intersect with each other, then there will form its image like this, B dash A dash. So it is the U naught, that is equals to minus D, and it is equals to U, and its image formed at the length, that is V naught. Okay, and whenever this image works an object for the eyepiece lens, so this length is UE, and its image will form like this, where all the rays will intersect, then there will form its image like this. This is its image, B double dash A double dash. This is highly magnifying. Okay, so this is an objective lens, in front of it an object AB placed whose image formed at A dash B dash real inverted. Okay, and whenever this image works as an object for this eyepiece lens, then its image may be formed like A double dash B double dash, which is highly magnifying. Okay, so we can say that this is the image which formed at the length of D. So first of all, whenever image formed at least distance D, so first condition, let me consider first of all this is magnification. This angle is alpha and this angle is beta. So its magnifying power you know that m is equals to tan beta upon tan alpha. Okay, and here for this triangle you can obtain ABO. Okay, and for this triangle B dash A dash beta, this is alpha E. Okay, and first of all we can say that its image is formed as VE length. So here tan alpha is equals to perpendicular by base. You can write this AB upon, and this is at least distance, AB upon minus D, and tan beta is equals to A dash B dash upon B dash E. B dash E. So putting this value in equation first, by equation first, m is equals to A dash B dash upon B dash E, that is equals to UE upon AB upon D. Okay, so it can written as A dash B dash upon AB into D upon UE. And what will be the value of A dash B dash? So let me consider here in both triangle like this. This is AB, this is O, and this is B dash A dash. Okay, so simply this is, we take both triangle AB upon similarity, using the similarity theorem in here, AB upon OB equals to A dash B dash upon OB dash. So A dash B dash upon AB is equals to OB dash upon OB. Okay, and you know that OB dash is V naught and OB is equals to U naught negative. This is image length which formed right side, so it will be positive, and this is objective length which formed in left side, that is negative. So this is the value of A dash B dash upon AB. So putting in here equation second, so it will be equals to m is equals to minus V naught upon U naught T upon UE. This is the magnifying power for the compound microscope. Okay, and now we are going to discuss its magnification whenever image formed at distance D. So first find image formed at D. So it means V equals to minus D, U equals to minus UA, and F is equals to, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के लिए फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव होती है. सो यूजिंग 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, so 1 by F E is equals to 1 by minus D minus 1 upon minus U. So माइनस और माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 1 by F E plus 1 by D is equals to 1 by UE और दोनों तरफ हमने D से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. So D upon FE plus D upon D is equals to D upon UE, that is equals to 1 plus D upon FE. Okay, so this is the magnifying power for the compound microscope. And let me consider here, whenever image formed at a distance D, then V is equals to minus D, U is equals to minus UE. Okay, and F is positive for eyepiece lens or convex lens. So using this lens formula and solve this, simply it is the magnifying power of the simple microscope. D by UE is equals to 1 plus D by FE, and putting this value D by UE in equation third. So by equation third, M is equals to minus V naught upon U naught, 1 plus D upon FE. This is the value by DE. So it is the magnifying power of a compound microscope whenever image formed at a distance D. And now let me discuss here second condition, whenever image formed at infinite. मीन्स अब ये जो इमेज बन रही थी वो कुछ ऐसी हो कि ये रे ऑफ लाइट कहीं भी इंटरसेक्ट ना करें, ऐसे ही चली जाए. कहाँ पर? इनफाइनाइट पे अपनी इमेज फॉर्म करें. सो इन दिस केस V इक्वल्स टू इन्फिनिट, U इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस UE एंड F इज इक्वल्स टू FE. सो 1 by FE इज इक्वल्स टू 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by FE is equals to 1 by UE, and multiplying both sides by D. So it is equals to D by FE, that is equals to D by UE, and here putting the value of D by UE in equation third. So its magnification will be equals, magnifying power will be equals to minus V naught upon U naught into D by FE. So this is the magnifying power of compound microscope whenever its image formed at the infinity. Okay.